So I'm currently walking to my last day of anatomy before January. Guys, so we are here to pick up Henrietta, a 6-year-old cat, to foster for 2 weeks. And I just went to the wrong building, but now I'm at the right one. Hi everyone, so I just signed the form for Henrietta and we are waiting for her. They're gonna bring her out and some supplies. Update, so we just picked up Henrietta. She's very cute and we are leaving the SPCA to drive back home. Here she is, here's the litter, and here are the supplies.
Where's Henry?
Just stay with me if the world was ending. If the world was ending. It's getting late, wanna fade away into the ocean waves. I don't wanna stay carrying this weight that will never go away. Are we falling deep or are we just pretending? Would you stay with me if
We just dropped Richard off at the airport. That's not him. And he is going back to Princeton for his spring semester. And yeah. Hi everyone, it's January.
Hey everyone, it's January 18th, 2021. It's been a week since we brought Henrietta home. Here she is in her favorite corner of our laundry room. And yeah, it's been a learning experience. I have figured out how to provide her with dry and wet food and water, clean out her litter box, play with her using the toys that the shelter provided, and make sure that she's getting out and socializing more. She's a pretty shy cat and she has feline immunodeficiency virus, which doesn't pass on to humans, but it was just something to take into consideration. And yeah, it's been a pretty rewarding process of learning and figuring out how fostering goes. And she has figured out places in our house that she likes, but I'm trying to make sure that she grows out of her shyness a little more. And the shelter provided us with like a carrier, 2 pet beds and blankets, dry and wet food and litter, bowls and toys. And so it was pretty much just me trying to figure out how to foster, and it's been such a rewarding experience. I'm just really happy that she's in a warm home rather than in a cold shelter. And yeah, so it's been pretty cool, especially during medical school. So I will keep you guys updated.